Hello everyone, we are discussing about in this video how can I speak English and grammar is necessary or not, because some person want to start English speaking English, so at the times just he thinks in his mind, oh my god, I don't know grammar, so how can I speak English? So in these videos we are discussing about grammar is a need or not. So let's start this video.
Audio Jungle.
First of all, we discuss about grammar is necessary or not. That questions of these questions answer is no. Grammar is not necessary. Just you have a do practice. You just know only A to Z is alphabets of English language. You just speak, because at the times you do not things like when I'm starting English language, at the times I'm telling a wrong and right. That is not necessary. Okay, if you have a take actions, I will speak English, then you can speak. Okay, so grammar is not necessary, because suppose there's I will tell one example. So you are born in a Hindi belt regions, okay, and your parents migrate to another regions, like they speak only English, yeah, any, because in India there are so many languages, okay. So suppose your parents migrate to another states, and suppose that in South India they are not Hindis, okay. There are Tamils, Telugus, Malayalams, Kannadi's, like these languages is spoken by their peoples, okay. So at the times you just learn that, suppose Telugus, okay. Suppose your parents live in Telugu region, so at the times you just learn Telugu language. Why? Because you just see and you just looking and you just practice that language. That is not your language, okay. So that you just learn that language, okay. So as like English, because English is uh, not a vast language, this is a practical language, okay. If you have practice, then you just learn English language, okay. This is not a big challenge, okay. So second question is how to speak, okay. How to speak means you do not just mean to like anything, okay. Just to have a start initial points, okay, like a small step, okay, and day by day just to have do a practice, then so your communication skill is increase day by day, okay. They are not uh, use of like a formula for speaking English language. That is only practice, okay. Because I am speaking something correct, but in previous times when I am starting, when I was starting, so at the times I am not speaking correctly, okay. So at the times I am also thinking like this, as like you think, okay. Oh my god, how can I speak? I don't know any grammars, okay. I don't know any vocabularies, and my pronunciation is also not correct. These type of questions arises in your mind also, but you do not take anxiety, you do not take a stress in your mind. Just to take a start, okay. and you daily have a practice, then you definitely speak English language, because this is not a big challenges. That is, English is a what? Practice. Okay, practice of language. Okay, I hope you understand about this video. So if you understand, please like and subscribe. We meet in next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.